SciCuriousID presents. Imagine a wall built to divide a city, only to become the world's most colorful symbol of unity. What began as acts of rebellion, spray paint on cold concrete, transformed into a gallery of freedom. From secret tags in the shadows to political murals seen by millions, graffiti in Berlin is more than art. It's a conversation echoing through history.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
When the Berlin Wall rose in 1961, it was a stark barrier, a symbol of a world split in two, East versus West. On the western side, artists, punks, and dreamers began to reclaim the wall with paint and defiance. Each tag was dangerous, often illegal, but the graffiti turned the wall into a living diary of protest. Slogans, portraits, and symbols screamed what politics could not. When the wall fell in 1989, the graffiti didn't disappear. It evolved from underground rebellion to celebrated cultural heritage. Today, what was once vandalism is now a global landmark of freedom and self-expression. But why do humans feel compelled to paint on walls? Psychologists call it territorial marking, an ancient instinct to leave a trace of existence. It's part biology, part culture. Graffiti, in essence, is communication. In Berlin, this instinct collided with history, making the wall a canvas for identity, grief, and resistance. Studies show that graffiti in politically charged environments activates the brain's limbic system, the center for emotion and meaning. It's not random chaos, it's visual storytelling under pressure. Urban sociologists see graffiti as the voice of the voiceless. In divided societies, walls become newspapers and spray cans become pens. Today, the same creativity has shifted from subways and tunnels to universities, galleries, and even corporate branding. Fun fact: engineers even study graffiti materials for weather resistance. Some pigments used by street artists are so durable that urban planners borrow their chemistry to design longer-lasting paints for buildings. Who knew vandalism could advance material science? Today, graffiti in Berlin is no longer just the work of rule breakers, it's an open-air museum. The East Side Gallery, stretching over 1 kilometre along the River Spree, is the largest remaining section of the wall. Each mural tells a story of hope, satire, love, and defiance. Artists now paint with tourists watching, and kids take selfies with murals, transforming the space into a vibrant cultural hub. But Berlin doesn't stop there. Neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain have become graffiti havens. Local and international artists transform grey facades into living canvases, where art, anarchy, and Instagram collide. Wander through Berlin, and you'll see the layers of its soul on every surface. Political slogans fade under new colors, abstract murals blend with old tags. It's a dialogue between past and present. In a way, the city itself is breathing art, exhaling history, inhaling creativity. Whether you see it as vandalism or vision, one thing's certain: graffiti has turned Berlin into the world's most expressive open-air canvas. The Berlin Wall was built to divide, but through art, it became a bridge. Every line of graffiti tells a story, of rebellion, of unity, of the unbreakable human urge to create meaning in chaos. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.